Hi, this is Finnegan's Trains. Hope you subscribe. Today, we're running the stands, and we have a new bridge over there, and some new plants in. And as you can see, we replaced the whole entire track. And we finally put the bridge in. And we also got some rocks from our cabin to bring up here. And we got a new tree over there. And now it's time for the train to run. As you can see, we have a new remote. If you turn that knob, it makes it go like a real train stuff and moves like a real train. And it just goes past stuff beautifully. I did not expect that. I'm just gonna leave that out. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. So we got a bunch of new plants now and that stuff. And we also have the army guy laying down on the top of that mountain. And the train's just gonna keep going until I stop it. At the station,